Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to resize images in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So to start with, upload your image into Canva, or remember that there's loads of photos and images you can use by using the section on the left hand side. You can use Canva photos, and when you want to resize your image, it's really easy to do. To start with, you need to click onto the image and you can drag the corners to make it larger or smaller really easily, and you can also move it about the page by clicking on the image and dragging it about. Be aware, if you use the top or side handles, you may lose some of the image, as you can see. If you want to keep the same image and just make it as big as the page, what you can do is right click and click on set image as background. You can use the back button to undo any changes. So basically, the easiest way to resize images is just dragging and dropping the corners. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.